In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off background app refresh for specific applications. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up Settings, then go into General and here tap at Background App Refresh. There at the top you can hit Add Background App Refresh to select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data that will be used for background app refresh. Also, you can turn this option off to completely off background app refresh, and if you select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data, here you are able to set up background app refresh for each individual app. You can hit Add that switcher to turn off background app refresh for a specific app, and in the same way you can set up background app refresh as you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.